what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Brittany B, and I am back once again with another mukbang. So, as y'all can tell by the thumbnail, yes, I am having Krystal'S strawberry lemonade soda. Yeah, so I'm doing a lunch hour mukbang, and I ordered me some chili cheese fries and 5 Krystal burgers. I'm holding up 2 because there's a lot going on and I'm ready to eat. So before I get to eating, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Give this video a huge thumbs up. My social media will be in the description box down below. And let's get into the mukbang. Let me turn this camera on a little bit. Yeah, that's better. Perfect. I was going to do a small Q&A, but this particular mukbang, I'm having y'all entertain me a little bit, sort of. All I got is one question from a friend, but I can keep a conversation going. And Shantae Mosley, shout out to you, girl. If you're watching this video, I'm answering your question. I'm going to answer it. She asked me, are you excited about college? Yes, girl. I am super duper excited. Even though with the coronavirus is going on, I'm not going to be on campus, but I'm going to be on online, like I said before on the other mukbang. Man, this is so good. What's your favorite thing to eat from Krystal'S? I usually get the usual. Like what I'm having right now, like... Let me turn this... I'm sorry, y'all. I'm just a little all over the place right now, but that's alright. Like I said, I usually get the usual, like, chili cheese fries and 5 Krystal'S combo with the medium drink. That's what I usually get. You know, when you're eating, you try your hardest not to eat too messy, because that's how I am. Like when I'm by myself, I dig in. I just love Krystal'S. I haven't had Krystal'S in a good minute too, because we haven't ate. The thing is, we haven't ate any fast food in months, with the pandemic still going around. And it kind of annoyed me because I want to go out and eat. Like, and this is my way of going out to eat, DoorDash, delivering my food to my home. And I ordered extra chili on my stuff. Because the thing I hate about, let me take the hate out, because hate is a strong word. The thing I don't like about chilies, Krystal'S. The thing I don't like about Krystal'S is that they give you a whole bunch of fries, but little small portion full of chili. That's why I'm glad I put extra chili in the instructions box. Yeah, because I hate getting chili cheese fries and a small portion of chili. Like, you're going to have to double up the scoop in the chili. I mean, what do y'all like from Krystal'S? Y'all like a regular Krystal burger with no cheese, or you like what I like right now with cheese? Man, I haven't had chilies in so long, y'all. Y'all don't understand. And it's kind of messy because it's all over on the sides of the plate. But hey, though, I asked for what I wanted and I got it. Like, cause to all my Krystal lovers, shout out to y'all. or I like extra chili on my stuff? Let me know in the comments. Because the thing that I don't like the most, once again, is little something. Like a lot of fries, but little chili. That's why I went all in and got extra chili. Excuse me, I'm trying to be professional and not eat like a crazy farm animal. I'm just loving this. And I'm gonna do the last mukbang called Arby's. Yeah, I'm on Arby's, the last one, and for the rest of I'm not gonna stop doing mukbangs, but those are the only 3 type of restaurant mukbangs I can think of at that moment. So let me know in the comments of what restaurant y'all want me to eat, because I already ate Zaxby's. I'm eating Krystal'S now. I'm on Arby's. What else y'all want? Taco Bell, Waffle House, whatever. Let me know in the comments. Oh snap. Kind of made it a little messy or whatever. Where is that? Oh, let me put that over there. Well, y'all, since the 4th of July is coming up in a few days, what y'all gonna do on 4th of July? Have a barbecue, like some fireworks or what? Because me, I don't know what we're gonna be doing on the 4th of July, but I hope we'll do something. Instead of being stuck in the house and boredom with nothing to do. Yeah, because like, I'm surprised I didn't hear any fireworks going off around my neighborhood, because my neighbors are most likely to light up fireworks and 4th of July ain't even start yet. Comment down below if y'all know somebody or have neighbors that do something like that. Let me know in the comments. Oh, whoa. Don't mind me quiet, y'all. I'm just eating. I would make something for lunch, but I really don't feel like cooking. I'm just letting y'all know on that right now. I love to cook, but I don't want to cook at the same time. Comment down below, do y'all like cooking or not? I mean, do y'all like to cook or not at all? Yeah. Because, like, I'm pretty much an amateur cook, pretty much. Like, cause I can cook anything from chili to green bean casserole, fried fish. Still learning on certain foods, but I'm getting there. And pretty soon, eventually, I'll make my own seafood boil. Do y'all eat seafood or not? I'm curious. Let me know in the comments. If y'all do eat seafood, what y'all like to eat? Shrimp, lobster, clams, mussels, whatever. If y'all don't eat seafood, well, just let me know in the comments y'all don't eat seafood. Okay, y'all, I'm getting full, and I'm already down to 4 burgers I ate, and I'm going to save this for later. And I'm down to my chili cheese fry. So, that's pretty much it of this lunch hour mukbang. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Like, comment, and subscribe. My social media will be in the description box down below. Don't forget to comment down below of what restaurant should I eat next. Like Waffle House, Taco Bell, whatever. Let me know in the comments. And I'll see you guys really, really, really soon. Peace.
That's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely.